welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the new Aina palette. Honestly, I can say I like it. It's not really the color choice I would go for. If you've been on my channel for a while, or even if you just scroll down my channel, you'll see that I am more of a color girl. But since fall is around the corner and I love Jackie, I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and grab it and see if I really like it, because I've never bought a palette from Anastasia before. Also in today's video, I'm wearing these lashes in the style Kirsten, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look and to see how you can get a pair of these lashes and to be featured in one of my videos. I'm gonna prime with my Born This Way, my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. Oh my god. The first color I'm taking is the shade Credit, which is really dark brown. And I'm using the E17 from Morphe. And I'm just gonna pack this in my crease. The pigmentation is definitely there, but it shows up way darker on my eye than it does in the palette. Not complaining, but just letting you guys know, this is my first Anastasia palette, so I don't know if that's normal for them, but I'm just saying. I'm gonna grab an M506 and grab the shade Pinker and blend this out. So it didn't really take much. I'd have to put on a lot of color either. Let me blend out Credit a little bit more though. So on another M506, I'm gonna grab the shade Edges. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and you guys know, well, if you're new you don't know, but if you're OG, you know that I used my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F1. I will link a video somewhere telling you guys why. Okay, wait, I can use this palette as a mirror because it's not working for me. Y'all see how that's not in the middle of my eyelid? For some reason, I can never ever find the middle of this eyelid. Somehow I always managed to clean it up good, So to blend out each side of my halo, I'm taking the shade Credit again on an E18 from Morphe. For the lid, I'm taking the shade Zam, which is a shade right here, and I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid. So just for some more definition in my crease, I'm going to go back into the shade Credit on an angled brush and just trace out my crease. My lashes today are very special, and they're important because I'm using the Fearless Blinks in the style Kirsten. I actually already have one on, but yes, I have my own style in collaboration with Fearless Faces. So these lashes will be going up on the site today. I do have a coupon code for you guys, and it's Kirsten0. I will put it over here on the screen. You guys can get 15% off your entire purchase. If you guys do decide to grab my lashes, make sure you guys tag me in pictures on Instagram. Just send them to me wherever you have me on social media, and I will definitely feature your pictures in my videos. I just always pinch my lashes together. Okay, so now that we have on our Kirsten lashes, I'm gonna line my waterline with some eyeliner, and I'm using this eyeliner from NYX. So going back into our Aina palette, I'm using the E36, and we're gonna pick up the shade Credit again. I'm gonna smudge that out underneath my lashes. Yeah, my sister curled up my hair for me today and it turned out so cute. Okay, so I know my ponytail look dry and stiff. That's because I didn't moisturize it yet, so. Right under that, I'm going to take the same brush and grab the shade Pinker again. I'm going to grab the shade Trust Issues, which is a shimmery white color, and put that in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm also going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Really random, but I want to give a huge shout out to Danessa Vivica. So huge shout out to you, girl. I hope I said your name right, but I heard that you just made a huge purchase with Fearless Faces, and I just want you to know that we appreciate you so much, so thank you. My highlighter today is also from Fearless Faces, and I'm using the shade Fairy Dust. And there's a lot of product in here too, sis. Y'all better go grab y'all one of these too. I'm going to take some of that and highlight my nose and also underneath my eyebrows. Also going to do my lips. I want to take the shade Downtown Beauty from NYX. Okay, I'm going to use Espresso instead because it's a little bit darker, more so what I'm going for to match our eyes. So Espresso has to be one of my favorite colors. So for color, do y'all think I should just do brown, or should I do like a pink? Let me try pink. Okay, so I slick put some on to see if I was gonna like it, but I'm using this this matte lipstick, also from Fearless Faces. Now I'm gonna grab some lip gloss, also from Fearless Faces. Just some clear lip gloss, you guys. It's bomb though. It's super moisturizing. I look at all of these lip glosses she got though. When I tell you this brand is fire, y'all are asleep. Y'all are asleep on Fearless Faces. Take my clear lip gloss and go on top of this. It also helped me kind of blend, get this blended in with the lip liner, because I still see like a harsh line right there. I don't know if y'all see it, but. It didn't even bleed onto there. Oh, y'all sleep. Y'all need to get up. Wake up. Let me dust away this powder really quick. I'm gonna put a link up here too if you guys want to see how her palettes perform, because she got some dope palettes too. I'm literally in love. Why is my hair already reverting? First of all, I just blew my hair out and it's already, see? We are done with this look. We have made it to the end. I'm gonna set my face off camera just because I cannot get my hair wet, but I'm gonna be using my my Sistar Cosmetics setting spray, and then I'll be back. If you want to, you can go back and add some more highlighter. I really don't need to, but if I wanted to, I can go back and add some more highlighter while my face is still wet, just to make it pop a little bit more. But yeah, it's there, you can see it. Okay, y'all, so that's it for the look using this Jackie Aina palette. But I will say, this palette, I love it. The colors blended well, they showed up very well. There was a lot of fallout. I'm not even sure if you guys will be able to see. I've only used this palette once, and this is how my palette looks now. But to me, it's not a problem. I don't really care about fallout as long as it's not falling out like off my eyes, like to down here. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed for my looks, and also make sure you guys check out Fearless Faces, and I will see you guys in my next video.